Hi children, this is Subharar Pudraj, handling 6 Mathematics, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers, Exercise 3.5, Part 2. In this lesson, we are going to cover the topics are continued division method and problems related to HCF. First, we are going to learn continued division method. In this method, we have three steps. If you follow these three steps, you can easily find out HCF. First one, divide the greater number by the smaller number. Second step, then we divide the divisor by the remainder. Third one, repeat the process of dividing the preceding divisor by the remainder until remainder will get 0. For example, find the HCF of 272 and 425 by division method. First step, divide the greater number by the smaller number. Here 425 is the greater number and 272 is the smaller number. Now we are taking 425 is going to divided by 272. How many times we have 272 in 425? That is only one time. So you can multiply 1 into 272 will get 272. Now we are going to subtract 272 from 425. The remain the second step, then divide the divisor by the remainder. Yes, here we have 153 as remainder and the divisor 272 is to become dividend, that is 272 here. So now we are going to find out how many times we have 153 in 272. We have only one time, so we can write 153. The remainder is 119. Now the remainder become divisor and the divisor become dividend. Now we are going to divide 153 by 119. How many times we have 119 in 153? That is only one time. So you can write 119. Now we are going to subtract 153 minus 119. The remainder is 34. The remainder become divisor and the divisor become dividend. Now we are going to divide 119 by 34. How many times we have 34 in 119? We have 3 times. So 3 34s are 102. Now we are going to subtract 102 from 119. The remainder is 17. The remainder becomes divisor and the divisor becomes dividend. Now we are going to divide 34 by 17. How many times we have 17 in 34? We have 2 times. So 2 17s are 34. Now we are going to subtract 34 from 34. We will get 0. So the remainder becomes 0 means the last divisor is the HCF. So write it, HCF is 17. Next one, find the HCF of 144, 180 and 192 by division method. Here we have three numbers. So first we find HCF of any two numbers, then we find the HCF of first and then third number. First step, we can take two numbers. Here we can take 144 and 180. 180 is the greatest number and 144 is the smallest number. So first rule, divide the greater number by the smaller number. So 180 is divided by 144. How many times we have 144 in 180? We have only one time, so we can write 144. Now we want to find the remainder, that is 36. So now the remainder become divisor. Already we have divisor, that is 144 become dividend. So now we want to find out how many times we have 36 in 144. So we have 4 times, that is 436 or 144. When you subtract 144 from 144, the remainder will 0. So the last divisor is the HCF. Yes, HCF of 144 and 180 is 36. Now take the HCF of first, that is 36, and the third number 192. Step 2. Now 192 is the greatest number. 36 is the smallest number. Now we want to follow this first rule, that is divide the greater number by the smaller number. So 192 is divided by 36. How many times we have 36 in 192? We have 5 times. So 5 36 or 180. Now we want to find the remainder, that is 12. So remainder become divisor, that is 12, and 36 divisor become dividend, that is 36. Now we want to find how many times we have 12 in 36, that is 3 times. So you can multiply 3 12s are 36. Now we are going to subtract 36 from 36, the remainder will be 0. Now the last divisor is the HCF. So write HCF of 144, 180 and 192 is 12. Find the HCF of 180, 252 and 324 by division method. First we are going to take two numbers, that are 180 and 252. 252 is the greatest number and 180 is the smallest number. First rule, divide the greater number by the smaller number. So 252 is going to be divided by 180. So how many times we have 180 in 252? That is one time, so we can write 180. Now we are going to subtract 180 from 252. We'll get the remainder is 72. The remainder become divisor and the divisor 180 become dividend. Now we are going to divide 180 by 72. How many times we have 72 in 180? We have 2 times, so write 144. Now we are going to subtract 144 from 180. The remainder is 36. So the remainder become divisor and the divisor 72 become dividend. So how many times we have 36 in 72? Only 2 times, so 236 or 72. Now we are going to subtract 72 from 72, that is remainder is 0. So the HCF of 144 and 180 is last divisor, that is 36. Now take 36 and third number, that is 324. Step 2, 324 is the greatest number and 36 is the smallest number. Now divide the greatest number by the smaller number. So 324 is divided by 36. How many times we have 36 in 324? We have 9 times. So 9 36 are 324. When you subtract 324 from 324, the remainder becomes 0. So the last divisor is HCF. So HCF of 180, 252 and 324 is 36. Example 3.11. Reduce 216 by 384 by using HCF. First, we want to find the prime factors of 216. The prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And we want to find the prime factors of 384. 2 into 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 3. Now we want to find the common factors of 216 and 384. Here the common factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we want to find the HCF of 216 and 384. Now multiply all the common factors, that is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That is the HCF. Now divide the numerator and the denominator by 24. When you divide the numerator and denominator by 24, what is that answer? That is 9 by 16. Exercise 3.5, fourth sum, that is third Roman. Reduce 300 by 375 by using HCF. First, we want to find the prime factors of 300. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. And we want to find the prime factors of 375. The factors are 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we want to find the common factors of 300 and 375. The common factors are 3 into 5 into 5. Now we want to find the HCF of 216 and 384. Multiply all the common factor, will get HCF. That is 3 5s are 15 and 15 5s are 75. Now divide the numerator and the denominator by 75. When you divide the numerator and the denominator by 75, the answer is 4 by 5. The next sum, exercise 3.5, fourth Roman, reduce 128 by 280 by using HCF. First, we want to find the prime factors of 128. The prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now, we want to find the factors of 280. The factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Here we have common factors are 2 into 2 into 2, that is represent in red in color. Now HCF of 120 and 280, we want to multiply all the common factors, that are 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now divide the numerator and the denominator by 8. When you divide 128 by 280 by the common factor, we'll get 16 by 35. Very well, thank you.